Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about the sustainable aviation fuel, whose abbreviation is SAF, means sustainable aviation fuel. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of SAF, means sustainable aviation fuel, how it is made and the challenges that need to be addressed in order to make it more widely used. Here in this slide, I will show you the brief introduction to the aviation industry's environmental impact. The aviation industry is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental pollutions. In 2021, the aviation industry accounted for about 2.5% of global CO2 emissions. This is expected to increase to 3.5% by 2050 if no action is taken. The aviation industry also contributes to air pollution, including nitrogen oxides (NOx) and particulate matter, whose abbreviation is PM, means particulate matter. NOx emissions from aircraft can react with other chemicals in the atmosphere to form ground-level ozone, which can cause respiratory problems and other health problems. Particulate matter emissions from aircraft can also contribute to respiratory problems and other health problems. In this slide, I will discuss what is SAF, means Sustainable Aviation Fuel, and how it is made. Sustainable aviation fuel is a type of fuel that is made from renewable sources such as used cooking oil, waste oil, algae, or plant materials. SAF is designed to address the aviation industry's significant contribution to greenhouse gas emission and environmental pollution. It aims to reduce carbon dioxide emissions, improve air quality, and promote the sustainable use of resources. Now, there are a number of different ways to produce SAF, sustainable aviation fuel. One common method is to use a process called hydroprocess. In hydroprocessing, renewable feedstocks are heated and pressurized in the presence of hydrogen gas. This process breaks down the feedstocks into smaller molecules, which can then be recombined to form SAF. Another common method for producing SAF is called Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. In Fischer-Tropsch synthesis, renewable feedstocks are converted into syngas, which is a mixture of hydrogen and carbon dioxide. The syngas is then passed over a metal catalyst to produce SAF, means Sustainable Aviation Fuel. Now, in this slide, I will discuss the benefits of SAF, means Sustainable Aviation Fuel. Sustainable aviation fuel offers a number of benefits over conventional jet fuel, including reduced carbon dioxide emissions. SAF can reduce carbon dioxide emissions by up to 80% compared to conventional jet fuel. Improved air quality. SAF reduces emissions of NOx and PM, which can improve air quality and reduce the risk of respiratory problems and other health problems. Creation of new jobs and economic opportunities. The production of SAF can create new jobs and economic opportunities in rural and urban communities. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Thanks for watching.